Hey everybody, Mikeycat Outdoors here. So what are we doing today? We're out here at Ferne Clyffe. Big Rocky Hollow. Big. Not little, but big Rocky Hollow. Gonna go check out the waterfall. So let's go see it. Little signs here, tips for the trails. Beautiful bluffs out here. Water out in the streams. The climber access trail here. You make your way up there if you want to climb the bluffs. They have a few areas here in Ferne Clyffe that they allow climbing out here and over on the Rebman trail. Down here, you got the campground trail. It goes up the bluffs. You got the Class A's up there on top of all that. First time I came out here many years ago. That's probably like a decade ago. And that's where I started, was up in the Class A's, and worked my way down, and it was kind of fun. Ooh, they replaced the blocks. A lot more stout these days. That's nice. That's really nice. There's the fern on the cliff. As my better half noted. That's the name. This is very beautiful out here. And so is this forest fairy. Hiking beyond this point is restricted to the sign trail only. Rock climbing and use of visitor-induced trails are not allowed. Which is a shame because there's a nice waterfall over there. Please remain on designated trail to protect listed species. Notedly, the gnome. My wife likes the layers. It's kind of wild. The colors, the striations. And there's the cute little bridge. Saw a couple get married on that one time. Well, everybody, this concludes this section of the hike. So hopefully you like what you've seen. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up, all that good stuff if you want. And do some more videos like this. Catch you again in the outdoors. As always, thanks for watching.